So today we're making lemon
drizzle
cake.
Yay!
And we're going to be showing you how to make it.
Yes,
And
step by
hopefully
step instructions.
It goes well.
Yeah.
Okay.
So find out.
For the ingredients, you need 225 grams of unsalted butter, but we just have normal butter. 225 grams of caster sugar, 4 eggs, a finely grated zest of 1 lemon, 225 grams of self-raising flour.
For the drizzle topping, you need juice of 1.5 lemon and 85 grams of caster sugar.
So Karen's helping us. I'm going to put 225 grams of self-raising flour in there.
Hi guys, so we've just put the lemon cake in the oven, so we're going to start something new now. From this Hummingbird Bakery book, looks really good. So we're going to make lemon cookies. It's actually... No, let's not show you that.
We don't have ricotta, so we're just going to make these, kind of. But
so to make the lemon cookies, you need 210 grams of plain flour, half a tablespoon of baking powder, half a tablespoon of salt, 60 grams of unsalted butter, but we just have normal butter there, and 200 grams of caster sugar, 1 egg, 1.5 lime juice, or lemon juice, and grated zest of 1 lemon. And for the glaze, you need 120 grams of icing sugar, 1.5 tablespoon of lemon juice, grated zest of 1 lemon.
Yeah, but still, Sabi cutting the masterpiece.
Yeah.
why is it like that?
Like this? It's gonna be good. Brilliant. Absolutely good.
No, go breaking my heart.
And he's like, I would imagine.
We're at Jess's place, as you can tell. And we're making cakes and macaroons, and here's the products. Yeah, that looks so good. You know you want some.
You know you want some.
What's lemon?
Macaroons.
Whatever they are.
Okay, whatever they are, I should nearly drop them.
They're partial cookies, partial
I'm putting
macaroons.
them down because
Okay, yeah, so we've finished. Look at the mess.
Yeah.
Good job, guys.
Time's calling out.
Watch the burnt cake in the link below.
Hi. Yep. Say hi to the camera.
Miss you guys so much.
Say hi. I can't. Oh my god.
Do that again! Oh, that's funny.
Ta-da.